if you guys get the Good Sam's Visa credit card, then you guys can use the Visa credit card wherever Visa accepts it. If it's only the Good Sam store card, you can only use it on the website. Now, let me show you guys the Good Sam cards because you guys will find that on Camping World. The reason why a lot of you know about these credit cards is because I talk about it on the shopping cart trick. And depending on which credit card you get, you can only use it where Visa is accepted, or you can only use it on the Camping World website. Now, let's go ahead and click right here where it says Shop Now. Now, when you guys are on this website, as you guys do the shopping cart trick, you guys are going to see that they're going to probably offer you their credit card. So here is their credit card here. They have just a regular Good Sam credit card. Then they have the Good Sam Visa. Again, the Visa you can use anywhere, but the Good Sam is the one you want to use in the store. But this one is usually for the people that's doing the shopping cart trick, the ones that apply for this credit card. Hopefully you guys get approved for the Visa, but if it's just a regular Good Sam card, you can only use it on the Camping World website. So that is something that you guys are going to have.